Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can transfer files from your external drive to your iPad. So let's begin the video. The first thing that you need to make sure is that on the bottom of your iPad you have a Type-C port. Basically this is the port that you use to charge your iPad. If you have this port, then you should watch this video till the very end, because this port is going to allow you to transfer files directly from your external drive to your iPad. You can connect an external SSD, an external hard drive, and even a USB pen drive with your iPad to transfer photos or videos. Now most of these devices are going to have a USB type A port, so you need to buy a USB type A to type C converter, which is fairly cheap. And once you have a converter, you can simply connect your USB type A device with the converter, and then you can connect it directly to your iPad. The second thing, you need to make sure that your external hard drive or storage device is formatted in the correct format. Like if I have this external hard drive, then it should be formatted in FAT32 or exFAT if you want to copy files from your iPad and paste them in your external drive. However, if you want to only read files, then NTFS will also work. But if you want to copy files from your iPad to the external storage device, then it should be formatted in exFAT or FAT32. Another thing, you need to make sure that when you are formatting your external drive, make sure to back up your data first. So on the iPad, first of all, you're going to open the Files Manager folder. On the top left side, you're going to click on this menu icon. Here you're going to have the location section. If it is minimized like this, make sure to maximize the location section, because your external drive will be shown here. Now for this video, I'm going to connect my external SSD to the iPad. You can see, and it's going to pop up right here, which is Wasay's SSD. If I click on my external drive, it's going to show any files that I have saved. In this case, I have this Hotel Transylvania video. Let's say you want to save any file from your external drive to your iPad. It's pretty simple. Click on select any file or files, and here you're going to have the move or more option. Since this is a video, we can click on the share button and we can click on save video. So this video will be saved in our iPad's gallery. If I open the Photos app, here in my gallery at the very last, you can see the movie has been copied from my external drive to my iPad. So yeah guys, in this way you can transfer files from your external drive to your iPad. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.